guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing an epic nerf battle. We do have some masks. I have an Iron Man one. And I look kind of weird, so yeah.
Yeah,
he has
please
that.
don't hate.
Okay. This is mine. And and that's his.
And this is mine. Well, is it loaded?
I think so.
Let me make sure.
And guys, we have 15 lives. So yeah.
And we can't shoot each other while
Reloading. And no headshots.
Yeah.
So that's why
anyways, you can't really headshot because I can't see correctly. I can't see that well.
Yeah, it happens a lot. So we're gonna be battling. We have 15 lives. If we get hit 15 times, we are out. And whoever gets 15 lives, before the person, all right. So we have 15 lives.
And if you like and subscribe, and then you can use this at home. And then every time you like and subscribe to us, you can get another like.
Yep. If you guys subscribe, we get an extra life. So we have 16 lives. 16 lives, I should say. All right. And 3, 2, 1. You're down to 14 or 15?
15. Hold on. I need to reload.
Same. You're down to 15.
Sorry. Or did it hit you?
No.
Alright.
And guys, and no shooting while I'm doing the talking to them. And guys, so he's down to 15. I'm still at 16. All right.
Did I give you?
Nope.
What?
That did not hit me. I just have a cat-like reflexes. So you're.
I can't see correctly.
Yeah, but.
Sorry. We really need masks. What? Yeah, screw those. Did it hit you?
Nope.
Alright, you didn't hit me either.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Guys, comment down below if that hit him. I'm pretty sure it did, so.
Nah.
Well, guys, let me know if you think that hit him. That surely didn't hit him, but no, it didn't hit any of us.
Yeah. I can't hit you.
Yeah.
No. Did it hit you?
Nope.
Yo. You have too many.
So you're down to 14. I'm still at 16. Okay, that was way off.
Yeah, we were both super off.
That you?
No, it didn't.
Okay.
In my gun.
We didn't go over that rule, but it really isn't hitting the body, so let's not count that.
Yeah, like it went right here, and I was like, yep. Hold on.
That had to hit you.
Yeah.
All right, you're down to 13. I'm still at 16. And guys, this is a real battle. So, all right, that hit me and that hit you. So, I'm down to.
It did not.
That definitely hit you. So, and that hit me. I'm being honest. So I'm down to 15.
It did not. It was right here.
Okay, whatever. He's gonna lie. So he's down to 12. I'm still at 15. I don't know. Did that get you guys? Did that get you guys?
Did that get you?
Guys, we don't know.
We'll have to watch our video.
Okay. Yeah, but surely you got none of us, so.
Yeah.
Lives remain.
Okay, hold up.
Whoa! You're trying to throw it at me now.
Alright. Did it headshot you?
No.
Did it even hit you?
No. It was close though, but no.
Alright. Hold up. Hit you?
It got me in the eye, so.
That won't count.
Okay.
That literally hit you. Oh, sorry. I'll clean that up.
Yeah, so guys. I didn't even have time to shoot stuff.
Yeah.
Guys, that got me in the eye, so we don't know if that should count, but
yeah,
I don't cry. I'm not crying. So,
yeah.
I don't know. That got me I don't know if that got me in the bare eyeball.
Did it?
I don't know. So, guys, like and subscribe because
please. Please, I feel bad.
I don't know. That didn't get me.
Yeah, it didn't get me as well.
Wait, did that eye shot count?
Nah. Because that was too rough.
I didn't have time to shoot, bro.
Ah! That did not count.
Alright. Headshots don't count, just so you know.
Yeah, headshot. That hit me like right here.
Alright, so back-to-back headshots, that's not good.
I mean, at least it's fair. Hey, yo.
Nope. Bro, did you hear that, guys? I don't know if you guys heard that, but that
And you
made
can
a
also duck.
yeet, and that didn't hit me, so I'm
Yeah,
not.
it would have hit me.
I'm at 50. I'm at 15. You're at 12.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so you're down to 11. And guys,
12.
11. I keep track. It's at 11.
Huh?
I'm sure that's at 11. That hit you? I didn't even see the bullet.
I didn't even see it either. Now I didn't feel anything.
Yes. Yeah, we're not gonna count that. All right, 15 to 11 me. Nope. Nope. Okay.
You
Nope.
sure that didn't hit you?
Nope.
Alright. I feel like they haven't added a new car into Fortnite in forever. And also today they added the new season.
Didn't hit me. Got
Ah!
All right, so you're down to 10, and I'm winning 15-10.
15.
Yeah, you only got me once. I would have been. I don't know if I got you.
Nah, I jumped.
I'm not sure about that, but whatever.
I don't think it did.
All right, that got me.
Alright.
And I didn't even shoot, bro. I didn't even shoot. But both of us has to shoot, so that has to be a shot for me. So you have 9 lives now because I didn't shoot. All right, whatever.
10?
Whatever.
Wait, still 11.
No.
No. If you
Okay,
can
guys,
shoot-
let's get back to the battle.
No,
No, arguing. It's 15 to 10. All right, that got me in the nuts. So, yeah, whatever. All right, so that is 14-10. Nope. All right, so
Fair round. That was a fair
14 to 10.
Yeah.
It's not fair you have somewhere to hide. That did not get me. And that didn't get you. That eye shot might just cost the video. That my eye hurts so bad. Nope. Oh. Dang, we're starting to go offline.
Yeah.
Nope. Nope. Dang, we're doing a good job, both of us are.
Yeah. GG's, bro.
Yeah, this is a GG so far.
Yeah.
Nope.
Wait, did I even shoot? No, it didn't even shoot. Look.
Wait, yeah, mine didn't even. Where's my card? I don't know where the door went.
Shoot.
Mine, I don't know what happened.
Hold on. Is this gun broken? Hold on, I need to switch out my gun. It's
Yeah,
broken.
time out, gun switch.
Yeah.
Dang, that eye shot might just cost the video no count.
Oh, it didn't.
Whoa! You sure?
Hold on. How much slots did
And guys, I'm sorry that the merch is late. I won't be able to post tomorrow. I'm going to the Phillies game tomorrow, so just so you guys know that.
Oh, this is
That I think that's too powerful. Okay, that's illegal. We need a short gun. That's
Oh,
illegal. Yeah, I really don't know. All right, we're gonna do a gun switch for both of us. So
I don't like this one.
I want this one. All right.
I think that'll be fair. But I can't find where you insert the darts. I can't find. Where is it? Where do you insert the weapon? Where do you insert the dart?
What are you doing?
Trying to find out where you insert the nerf darts.
Okay, guys, while he's doing that, we're going to talk about the merch. So, guys.
I might not even find that.
Yeah, you're going to have to do a gun switch for you. So, guys,
Let me see.
merch will be out. It's going to be about a pretty long time, so that's some days to go. But I'm not really sure when the merch will come out. It's just my dad's decision. I don't know when he's going to do it, but it sure might be out soon, but hopefully that's true.
What is this?
No. That doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Oh.
Bro, that doesn't work. That does not hold
Anyway, it's super hard to get it reloaded.
And first of all, guys, that doesn't hold Nerf darts. It holds a big giant thing in it, so.
Holds a big giant ball.
Bro, are you gonna do a gun switch or what? Here,
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you a gun. No. Use that. Okay.
Well, I want to use this.
That's okay. That was my gun.
Well, let me test it. Yours does work.
Guys, sorry for the long delay. We're back at it. Bro, mine doesn't shoot.
Oh, it doesn't.
Yeah, it doesn't shoot. Doesn't shoot. It ain't shooting.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch my gun out as well. I want this one. I'm gonna go with the Fortnite.
And guys, our Nerf guns are kind of dumb at my house, so yeah, it's really dumb. Oh my, it's so hard.
Oh, this was the one that I had before. That's not.
All right, go back to. I want this one. All right, we're gonna do back to normal.
Hey.
What? That wasn't this. I started with this one. It's fine. So guys, merch is a little bit late, and I'm sorry about that. Let me just check the time. Okay.
Can't find a weapon.
We might just end the video if we can.
One final pull fill up.
That doesn't shoot. It does not shoot. And that's the best. That's That's gonna what you're gonna.
That's the best shot.
Yeah, that's the best one you can have. Wait, you actually only have to have one in there because it's like fair, so it can be fair.
Wait, I can just reload it every time.
Okay. Well, you can only shoot once at a time.
Yeah, that's the
So it's
only way it'll be fair.
Dang, my eye is starting to sting right now. That might. Oh.
Actually, after these two shots, do maybe we'll end the video.
Yeah, because my eye is starting to hurt.
Did it hit me?
Nope, that did not hit me. All right, what's live? 15-9 or 15-10? 15-10, guys.
14-10.
Oh yeah, 14-10. 14-10. Oh.
Oh my god, this weapon is pretty OP.
Hi. Guys, this is not. We might just do this in the entire video. I don't know what to do. Nope.
We won't.
We both
I'm out.
Oh, dang. And And guys, I don't know what we're going to post next, but we might post like right after this.
Yeah. It's just because Brandon needs something for his eye.
Yeah, we'll probably take a little bit break. Then we'll do it again because my eyes starting to hurt. Okay?
This bar is broken, so get this one out of here.
Ow. Just drop that on my foot, bro. Doesn't shoot.
It does.
Alright. Guys, sometimes I'm not smart. I'm really not smart sometimes.
I think you're really intelligent. Well, most of the time.
Hey,
Hold up, I don't have it. That was a head. That was a neck shot.
Alright, so it's technically not the head, so you're down 2. You're down.
No, that was my neck.
That's a life. It's not in the head. Nope. Yep.
Wait, what?
That didn't hit me. It hit you.
No, that was the first round. I didn't shoot that one. So
You
that
did.
didn't count.
No,
I didn't shoot when you hit
And
me.
guys, so
I didn't shoot when you hit me. in the neck.
me 14, he 8. Let's go.
No, I didn't shoot when you hit me.
Alright,
in the
never
neck.
going back. 14, 8. Alright, nobody got each other. Nope. Nope. That we keep just galloping everywhere. Whoa, hold up. Why are you that close to me? You're supposed to be on the other side of that pole. Yeah, I have no idea. If it doesn't one more time, we're gonna end it. Whoa. Okay. Alright, go back behind the pole. Nope. Dang it.
Alright, should we end the video?
Until one of us gets eliminated.
What?
Until one of us.
Yeah, but you need your iPhone.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna stop us when you get to 5 lives.
Me?
Yeah, because like I actually like this side.
18 minutes. Wait, let's try doing it standing still.
No! Bro, that did not count. I never said go. And first of all, I never galloped. So that does not count. So still 14-8.
Well, I never shot when you hit me in the neck.
Doesn't mean that we just do that again. So remains 14-8. Alright, fine. They got me in the heart, so that's 2 illegal
Wait,
shots.
you didn't shoot.
Alright, so that's 2 illegal shots, and by the way, if he gets 3 illegal shots, he's out, and then the video's over. So, and I have only
You hit
one.
an illegal shot.
1 time. You have 2 times. Why are you doing that? Nope. Dang it.
You sure that didn't hit you?
No, it actually didn't hit me. Nope. What are you doing? I didn't even shoot yet.
Oh, just shoot me.
That is the dumbest thing of my life. It would have been 14-7. Whoa!
Bro, I hit the TV.
Nope. All right.
I used to hit my dad all the time.
I just flung the bullet over there while I was galloping dumbest kick ever.
That was the. This is the
Bro, I
smartest.
just flung it again.
This is the smartest kick ever. Smartest kick
All right.
ever.
All right, let's go. Nope. What the heck? That didn't shoot. Doesn't count. You can't just stay behind the pole. That's cheating. Oh my gun!
You need a weapon swap then.
What?
You need a weapon swap then.
No, it's fine. Let me see. There we go. Nope. Yep.
Hit me in the hand.
14-7.
That hit my gun.
You just said it. Guys, comment down
It hit
below.
me in the finger.
Never.
That's what I meant by hand. Finger.
I'm a YouTuber. I can do whatever I want. So 14-7.
So you're saying you can spray paint on the wall?
Okay, whatever. 14-7. Nope.
Wait. I just hit a shot.
On the deer?
No. In there.
In there?
Yeah.
Guys, that's the shot of the day.
Where'd it go?
If he's lying, it's not.
It might have.
Alright,
I swear.
guys, back to the video. It's 14-7. Me, I've only lost 2 lives.
Yeah, I think it literally went in the house. Dude. That's literally like the shot of the day.
I'm gonna try and beat the shot of the day.
The shot of the day is if you hit the Samson's Bank Park.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't even have my.
I can't play it.
Wait, you were just like. Oh. Wait, try shooting it. Not at me. Just the painting right there. Palm tree. That or that? Palm tree.
That's a TV. If you didn't know, it's
What?
picture and a TV. What? Yeah, I have no idea how to turn it on.
It's been like that the whole time.
Yeah, I don't know how to turn it on. Let's get back to the video.
Alright, try shooting.
Nope. My gun does not want to shoot.
Then you need a weapon.
Nope.
What? Where did that even go?
I don't know.
Wait.
Well, I'm just trying to hit the Citizens Bank.
No, you have to do it in game.
All right.
But you also have to be aiming at me.
Oh, okay.
So I have to be like jumping. Oh.
What the heck? You just tried and threw it. Nope. You can't stay behind.
I have my gun.
There's no way you're shaking your hand. 14-6. There's no way you're shaking your hand. 14-6. That didn't. Off the
Do it.
pole.
There's no way I'm gonna win.
You never know. Hit me.
They hit me.
All right. Remains 14-6.
14-5.
14.
It
Okay.
hit me.
Okay. All right. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I won 14-5. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Peace.